To color drench or to not color drench, that is the question. Welcome to part 4 of our home office renovation with a $1,500 budget. In part 3, we built these beautiful storage cabinets and painted them calligraphy by Behr Paint and was debating whether or not I should color drench the entire room in this color or leave it just on the bookcase. This was the initial vibe that I was going for, and after hundreds of encouraging comments for me to drench the room, that's what we're doing today. When I say color drenching, I mean we are painting everything, including the ceiling, the trim, the baseboards, and the closet doors. And before you say anything, I know that it's going to be dark. That's literally the whole point. I want this room to be dark and moody. I'm going for a vibe, okay? But don't worry, I do plan on adding a lot of contrast in here, so it's going to balance out all the dark. And without further ado, this is what it's looking like so far. It's definitely an adjustment, but I'm here for it. Once we get everything styled, we bring in the rug, the furniture, the curtains up, it's going to look amazing. So thank you for always watching and your support. Be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more home renovations and DIYs.